All right, George from JB Sports Cards here. We're doing a box for Walter. Team Butterfield, Star Wars Masterwork. Good luck, man. Pack number 1. Kiadi Mundi. Chancellor Palpatine. Got Mace Windu Gold. 75 of 99. Then we got Emperor Palpatine and Darth Vader companions. And then your stamp, Yoda, 39 of 99. Got some good box picking right there. Ooh, case hits. Admiral Akbar, Zam Wessel. We got Moma Nadone, another gold, 33 of 99. Then we got Luke Skywalker, Defining Moments, and your sketch is Leia. That's our signature there. Next box. Padma. So we got Yoda, R5D4. We got Commander Cody. Commander Cody, not numbered. We got 115 to 299, Beeb Fortuna. Scum and Villainy. And your autograph, Alan Harris for Bosk. Alan Harris as Bosk. And your last box today. Look, Walter. Like Skinny Auto. R2-D2. Greedo. Bosk. And your, actually it's 22 of 25 companions. Acetate. 22 of 25, and then looks like you have another sketch. Obi. 22 of 25. There was Jango Fett and Boba Fett. Another sketch. Davis. There you go, Walter. Appreciate it, man. Take one more, all right.